Okay, so before you install, you must enable a few things like what you should enable. Alara blocking this thing. First, you have to check whether your virtualization is enabled or not. Okay, after installation also you can change it, but better to enable it. Okay, so already I told you how to enable virtualization. So first of all, you should go to, if it is not enabled, you must go to BIOS settings, enable virtualization. Okay, so that's important point. Okay, so if you don't know how to enable it, so you can put it how to enable virtualization in Windows 10. Anyway, your PCs are all Windows 10 only. For Windows 8 people also, you can type Windows 8. There is a lot of guidelines also there, so you can go to YouTube and then you can find how to do it. Okay, so Managa came. Okay, only two people are missing. Okay, so you can find a lot of notes also available. So already we discussed, but you can try. Next, here already I have a VMware workstation, which is also a new version only. So it's 15.5 version. So let it come home. Okay. So it is a 15.5 Pro. So we but the new version is 16 Pro. So then I want to install this 16 Pro. Okay, but so I have to uninstall the previous one. Otherwise, it will uninstall automatically. So while you are installing, okay, power off. Okay, so I want to install manually. I want to uninstall manually. Then I will install it. Okay, guys. And already I given the link how to install in your WhatsApp. It is there. Okay, so this is how to download the downloading link. Okay, so first I'm going to uninstall it. To uninstall, I have to go to control panel. So this is a control panel. Okay, so you can find programs or programs and features kind of stuff. Okay, programs and features. Okay, so we can uninstall it from here. Of course, we can uninstall it from here also. Then you can go to A, VMware V, VMware. You can, if you find an installation string, like you can go to this one, right click, uninstall. You can find uninstall here. Okay, but I'm try to uninstall from here. So this is VMware workstation. These are different tools. Okay, that is vSphere client tools, but this is a VMware workstation. So right click on VMware workstation, change. Um, Either you will get uninstall or change anything. Next, now remove. Just I want to remove it. Okay, product confirmation information, remove it, because most of your PCs not installed earlier. So then I want to show you how to install it from starting. Okay, usually if you have old one, if you uninstall it, you must restart your PC. Okay, so here I'm not going to restart, because if I restart, everything will be disconnected again. I have to connect from last, and it will take a lot of time, because my PC having so many other things also. Okay, so next also I will try to show you how to uninstall an application. So I'm uninstalling. Okay, so we have to go to control panel, programs and features, and find out your application and right click and uninstall. That's it. And some application will show you change, so then go to change and click on remove. It will remove. Okay, why it is taking that much of time? Okay, meanwhile I will show you how to download this thing. So once you are open VMware, so we are downloading VMware workstation only, not actual VMware. Okay, not VMware vSphere. Okay, so this is a application tool, and it is 30 days trial version to download. Okay, you know, don't require any registration for VMware workstation. Okay, and the free version is VMware workstation player is there. You can do it. Yeah, still it is there. So we are all using a Windows operating system only. So you can click on download now. Automatically it will start download. If you are using a tools like yeah, to show you something. If you are using a tools something like FDM or IDM, so you can download with it also. Okay, the size of the application is, there it is. I downloaded somewhere. Here it is, 16. It's almost 622 MB. So if you are using a normal broadband, it will download in 5 to 10 minutes max. It will download. If you are using a mobile phone, mobile internet kind of stuff, it will take time. That is removing all the things. But I created virtual machine earlier, right? So previously I have a lot of virtual machines. Those virtual machines won't get removed. Those virtual machine will be stay in my PC only. Okay, in my PC, all the virtual machines created earlier, that will be stay in here only. The network adapters and all which is created earlier, that will be removed. Settings will be removed in generally. Okay, if you restart, it's clearly it will remove everything. If you don't restart your PC after uninstallation, there is some keys and all will be there still in your PC. May not get problem, but we'll see. Let it go on. Okay. Okay. Next, in a trial version, we can't use much days, right? We need this VMware workstation for longer time. So what you will do, just try to find keys for it. So you can go for a license keys or keys. So this is the GitHub. Someone is put it here. Uh, so these are the keys. Okay, so find out the key, any key you can take it and use key for activation. Once it is activated, then save the key. So this is your key like that. Okay, or if you have a torrents thing, then you can download it from the torrents also. Okay, this is a new one. Okay, so we'll see. It is removing files means that related files only. Actually VMware related things won't be removed from here. See, these are all virtual machines only. This won't remove from here. This will stay here only. Okay, finish. So normally we should restart our PC. Okay, so we have to restart our PC. But I'm not going to restart now, because if I restart, everything will be disconnected. Okay, I'm going to install it, new version. So see carefully. So this is a new version. Yes. Okay, now let it install. The color is changed. Still, I have a shortcut on my screen. So why I have a shortcut on my screen? It will start. It is .exe format, but actually the program is in .msa. The installation is in an MSA format. So first it will extract the .exe it will extract into temporary. So from temporary it is going to start installation. So you will get installation screen. Okay, sometimes it won't install. Sometimes you're trying to install but it is not install. It show error. It will throw some error like some file is missing in a temporary location, like that. It is because of you have a virus in your PC, or your antivirus also blocking your installations. So two things: one is your virus, another one is your antivirus, or maybe file is corrupted because of your having a virus. So what I'm saying it is, scan your system properly. Scan your system properly. Okay, so if you have any antivirus, scan with it. So if you don't have any antivirus specifically, then you can use Windows Defender, or you can use malware bytes. Okay, this is a malware bytes. Okay, you can download freely, and keys are difficult to match. That one. Okay, but you can scan your PC mainly for registration part. Okay, for in a free version also you can scan it for malwares and all the things. So once you are scanning it, that malware, trojans or malwares, spywares, these things will be removed from your PC. Once it is removed, so you can start installation. Just restart your PC, then you can do it. Okay, now I'm going to next accept the license. Next. Okay, here add virtualization console tools to system path. Okay, let it add it. I didn't verify it is 32-bit or 64. I think this application is 32-bit. That's why X64 is there. And if I select this one, I need to restart my PC, and as well as there is a drivers will added. And if I select this one, it may cause um, damage. It may cause, what way can I say? It may cause blue screen errors also possible, because it's enhanced keyboard driver is there. It will create keyboard links separately. It is good one, but problem is you may get a blue screen error. Okay, so possibility is blue screen error. So don't touch it. Leave this check mark and don't check this one. Don't change anything. Just keep it like that only. Okay, got it. So don't change anything. Just keep it like that only. Here, check for product update and startup. No, I don't want. So you want to join a user experience kind of stuff. Currently, I'm not interested in that one. So uncheck both the things. Okay, uncheck both the things. Not required. So in a startup again, it is checking updates. The startup becomes slow. Okay, so that's another part. And next, there are a lot of other issues with there. So better uncheck it. Next. Yeah, you want a desktop menu, startup menu folder? Yes, I want it, because in desktop I can easily open, and start menu also I can open. Okay, so keep both the things check marks. Next, click on install. That's it. So it is going to be installed. It will take another 5 minutes. Okay, so initially it will freeze. Okay, it is verifying and installing. This is one tool only. if in case if you cannot download VMware workstation, that 600 MB you can't able to download, or maybe your system cannot run that application, because application itself has some space it will occupy, right? So space occupation, RAM consumption and all. Okay, so we have another application that is called virtual box. Okay, it is a free tool. Here we need a keys to activate this product. VMware Workstation Pro need a keys to activate the product. So otherwise you have to buy the product. If you don't find the keys, so you have to buy the product. Okay, but we this one Oracle VM Box having same features as a VMware Workstation, and it is a free. So you don't need to pay anything for this one. You don't need to sign any agreement or paying um, email IDs, nothing is required. Just download and install. That's it. Okay, but you need a lot of work, like controlling is need a habituated. That's it. Okay, so shortcut is also similar. So old shortcut. This is a new shortcut. I think last time we discussed about what is the use of this VMware. Oh, okay, okay. It will do because it's installing this virtual network drivers and all now. So it will do it. Okay, background, it will create a NIC, virtual NICs in background. Okay, so when you are going to ncpa.cpl, we can see those things. When you are downloading mainly for our classes, okay, so not your random downloads. What I'm saying it is when you are doing something in your class, either it is video or maybe it can be a application or operating system, um, your PPTs, PDFs or anything. So you have to keep all those things in a one single drive better, because you can easily access that one. Okay, so I'm again repeating, if you can't able to install, if you got installation error, take the photo and put it in a group, so I will give you a solution if I understand the problem. And usually you will get a problem because of viruses. So use the malware bytes, scan your PC. If you don't know how to do it, I will tell you how to scan with the malware bytes. Okay, so I can put a finish, then it is become a trial version. I am going to put a license. Okay, so I click on a license. Okay, so then I have to put a license key. Here is a license keys, but I shared a notepad, right? So in that one already same copy. Those keys only I copied here. I'm taking this key. So AZ. So can you see AZ key? Any key you can take it. Just I take one key only. Any of one key. Okay. Paste. Control V. Right click is not working. So Control V. Enter. Finish. So I'm in a network. So it is not throwing any error. It means the key is working. So once you use a key, so keep the key aside. Keep the key aside. Just um, put a keys, remaining keys separately, or you can note down like this is your key. Okay, so don't use this key. You can use these three or this one. Okay, just for fun. Okay, okay. So otherwise, if you use it also no problem. Any key you can use it, first, second, third. Just for when I'm using this one, I like AZ. That's it. Okay. Now it is done. But actually, why it is showing? I removed it. It is open anyway. The because of shortcut is alive and it is open. But this is actual shortcut. Because I didn't restart or anything, the links came from previous database. Okay, so already these links are saved. But if you see workstation pro fresh one, and it didn't for your system, it won't show any uh, computers, any virtual machines. It is won't show anything because I created earlier. So it is the list, it is taken from my previous one. Okay, previous data. Okay. Because it's my document somewhere, the list of virtual machines which is currently running, based on that it is taken. Okay, this is how we can able to install the VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, that is it. I will tell you how to create a virtual machine, and there is a lot of things also there. So this is network editor preferences. Issues will be there, so we'll discuss all the issues. This is a VMware workstation virtual box. This is also an application which provide interface for creating virtual machines, and it is very lightweight, free, so you no need of any license and all. Already one virtual machine is running here and it is showing there is a new virtual machine is available. So this is 6.1.16 is available. Okay, so I'm going to help about virtual box 6.1, 6.1.10, that is the version. So he said other version is also available. I'm closing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download a new version. I'm going to download a new version. I will show you how to download it and how to install it. Before installation, okay. So anyway, virtual box download for Windows 10. So just download is good. Go to this one. Okay, where is it? Okay, so if you want download, you can follow the link also. So I send through your WhatsApp, so you can do it. Old version, new version, binaries. So how many are there? So I'm going to Windows host, this one. Okay, this is Linux and Solaris. I clicked on it, so there is no, this is extension. Yeah, it is starting download. I click on it, this one, then it is starting download. This is my free download manager. Okay, this is going to download in my C drive. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change into G drive. So G downloads. Okay, so it's a 103 MB only. See, that is 610 MB. This is 103 MB only. It's a smaller one. So let it download. Meanwhile, I will uninstall the previous one. You no need to uninstall it, it automatically upgrade on the previous one. Okay, but to feel newly, so because you are learning first time, okay, because you are learning first time, so I want to show you download from completely freshly. It's got downloaded because we have a broadband connection, then we download it. Virtual box, where it is. Oh, so Oracle, yeah, here it is. I'm installing the old version. If you have already Oracle VirtualBox previous version, you don't need to uninstall it. Just install the new one. It will uninstall the old one automatically. So different applications are there in my PC. It's no longer I use it. Okay. This is malware bytes. Once you download a malware bytes, just put a name in Google malware bytes. Go to free download. Don't go with the trial versions. Just download a free version only. Okay. Someone missing still. Someone missing. Maybe again missing. Where it is, I put a uninstallation, right? It is there. How can be it is there? I put install uninstallation. Oracle virtual box. Right click, uninstall. It opens this one. Okay, this is scanner. So you want to scan it, just click on scan in a malware bytes. Scan scheduler and reports. Okay, scanner done. Okay, advanced scanner. Configure scan. So click on configure scan. Remove all these things. Just to scan registry and startup lines. No need to click on anything, or you can use scan memory objects also. When you're scanning a registry, all malwares, trojans, spywares are hooked to registry only. So then automatically you can able to remove those kind of stuff. So then your system running, even your system having a certain viruses, that won't bother because the spyware, malware and all is trying to attack your system and change the properties of it. Just click on scan, memory scan will be there. So it will take time, that's why I'm not doing it. Okay, so only malware bytes having this registry scan is there. So if you have any application which is working with the registry scanning, then you can do it. Can I create my virtual machine? It is showing something, but already I downloaded now, so I will install it. Actually, it is should be no. So double click. So no need of license keys here. Here it is showing ESP support, networking, bridge networking, and all. Nothing, no change here. It's a 64-bit, and there is a tick marks. Leave it like that. Next, so it will create a network installation. Yes, install. That's it. Yes, click on yes. It is removed the last one now correctly. Don't worry about that blinking because it is installing networking drivers and a necessity thing. So obviously, okay. So I don't want to start. I will start it manually. So uncheck it. You can check it now. I will restart the PC later. Okay. So this is my Oracle VM virtual box. Okay. It is open. Device is to these are for extension pack. It is showing. I have all extension pack is there. You can download extension pack also. Okay. So now it is 1.18. Here also same thing. Creation of virtual machines and all. Okay. It will also give certain extra features compared to old versions. Like okay, people who are having lesser RAM capacity. People who are having lesser RAM capacities and lesser application. Mainly people who are using company's laptop. Company means um, provided by organization like what we can say like your if you are using your brother or sister laptop, but laptop is actually is a company's laptop, like Cognizant gave you a laptop for office work. So in that one you should not use VMware until unless you paid for it. VMware workstation, you have to pay for VMware workstation. Okay, it's original license keys. Better to use original license keys only, not key generators, crackers, or copied random license keys. So that is not good. If you have a PC which is you don't use it for office work, then you can install whatever you want it. No problem. Okay. If in case if you are using your brother or a sister's laptop, which is he use it for office work. Okay. That time better is Oracle VM VirtualBox. If you start download and start working on it, you will know the control things like what is alt control delete for a virtual machine, what is keyboard synchronization, mouse clicking, mouse coming out, like that. So many things are there. Slowly you can able to habituated to use it. If you know how to use the VMware VirtualBox, You must know because you have to do practicals on it. And later also, if you want to learn something, you can learn it from there. Okay. Most of these created for learning purpose only. I want to learn something new, or I want to practice something which is I already know. Okay, I got a doubt on a particular application installation. So what I do, I create a virtual machine, I practice in it. Okay, till it is completed, I keep the virtual machine. Okay, once I completed, if I no longer use, okay, sorry, if I no longer use of that virtual machine, so I will delete the virtual machine. Deletion of virtual machine is also okay, good. For example, this is a virtual machine. This virtual machine stores in my F drive, so you can see F virtual machine like that. Okay, I don't want it. Right click, just click first, and it will open like this. Right click, manage, delete from the disk. How to delete a virtual machine? Very simple. Right click on a machine, manage, delete from the disk. Automatically it removed from your PC. Automatically remove from the PC like this. A permanently deleted. When you are working with virtual machines in your VMware or VirtualBox, it throws so many kind of errors sometimes. Okay, if you got an error, what you will do? Understand the error and try to solve it, or you can take a picture and send it to group. So we'll see, and I will suggest. If in case if we don't understand why you are getting that kind of errors, I will share my desktop team viewer. So okay, so we can connect through the team viewer. I will control your system. I will check the problem what it is. Okay, already I told about the other one. Okay, so this is how we can able to install. Is anybody having doubts in installation of VMware workstation or VirtualBox? So can you install, right? So what is the first condition? Virtualization must be enabled. Second one is just download, install it. No need to change any settings except that join in CE customer experience programming. Another one is check for updates. Those two options you have to uncheck it, and all remaining thing is keep the check mark like that only. Okay, once your installation completed, it is asking for license and enter. So click on license key. So copy and paste the license key and okay, then enter. So automatically it is activated and it will give you that one. If it is not, if it is showing not activated or some error messages, it may be because of your internet connection or system or any other things. Okay, okay, this is it.